Hello there, everyone. How's it going today? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing excellent. My name is Diego, and I am a digital systems engineering student. So I'm right here to explain how a traffic light system is built using Arduino. So let's begin. Let's start. So the electronic components we are using for today is, of course, a small breadboard or Arduino for sure. And as I mentioned before, as we are doing a traffic light system, we are going to need three different LEDs. So remember what an LED is. LED means light emitting diode. And remember, diodes have two different terminals, the anode and the cathode. So the anode is the positive side and the cathode is the negative side. So this is going to be red color, this one yellow, and green color. So uh, another electronic component, basic electronic component, is the resistor, which is actually going to be a 220 ohm resistor. Okay, so why do we put a resistor? Because as we are using 5 volts, of course we need a resistor to reduce current flow, and so the LED can bright effectively and can work properly. So I think we are all set to start connecting. So let's put them all right here in the breadboard. The breadboard is the main component which is going to allow us connect all our components. So remember connecting uh, the resistor in the anode part. Okay, so let's connect 5 volts to the positive part, the positive bus of the breadboard. Okay, which is going to be red color. Okay, so when I think about voltage, I think in red color. So that is why uh, I choose red color. But you can choose any other color. Um, then the ground right here, and this is going to be black. Okay, so we are almost there. So this one is going to be connected right here to ground. Remember that always negative parts go to ground. So uh, okay, so the last part is connecting the positive side to our Arduino pins. So let me connect them all properly. $11 and this one $12. Okay, so let's change its color. Okay, so the connections are set, so let's move to the programming part. Let's see the code right here. So we start by initializing our variables right here. So the red LED is going to be connected to the pin number 10, yellow to pin number 11, and finally green to pin number 12. So this function, which is called the setup function, is for selecting what type of signal they're going to be outputs. And finally, here we got our loop function, and inside we got this method, which is called digital write, and we are adding two parameters right here. We are going to set the voltage, so when the voltage is high, it is going to last 7 seconds. So just be careful right here, because the delay method works with milliseconds, not seconds, milliseconds. So that is why I wrote here 7,000. And when those 7 seconds uh, pass, now we are going to change its state to low. So this means the LED is going to uh, be turned off. Okay, so same with green color. Here's the trick. As you can see, we got 3 times uh, yellow LED working right here, yellow LED working right here. But here's a small modification, here's a small change. And remember when you are driving and you look up to the traffic light, you can see how the yellow color or the yellow light blinks. So that is why I wrote right here just 1 second. 1 second with the voltage high, 1 second with the voltage low, and then do it again and do it a third time. So 3 times. So this is a very simple code actually. We are not using any of the programming statements like if or loops or any of those decision structures or repetition structures. So that is why I'm telling you this is very simple. Okay, so let's start the simulation. Okay, here it is. The LED lasts 7 seconds, and then the green LED another 7 seconds, and we got our yellow LED blinking 3 times. Okay, so success, people. Now I'm going to explain the schematic view, the schematic diagram. Actually, I love Tinkercad of this, uh, because of this function, of these facilities, that it allows us to view the schematic diagram, how we are connecting uh, or building our circuit. So as you can see, pin number 10 is connected to the red pin. Okay, okay, so here is the current and flows through the resistor number 1. Okay, Same with pin number 11 and same with pin number 12, and they all go to ground. It is a very simple circuit. So I wanted to show you this schematic view. And that's it, people. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next videos of electronics. So thank you, take care, and goodbye.